So ayun ang mga ka-sports, grabing match-up ng Chinese Taipei versus Mongolia. Nako mga ka-sports, napakabata ng mga player ng Chinese Taipei pero napaka mabilis. Pati naman sa Mongolia, medyo may edad na yung ibang player nila pero di nakabase ang edad dahil napaka-athletic. Halika tignan natin mga ka-sports ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
The handle, but recovered. Dean Gonsolman getting it done for Mongolia.
And Gonsolman is a vision. Still got to knock it down.
Top pump getting hit. So again, it's a miss. Great body control to get it up as he missed. Time nobody home. The rest of the lead. Put on the brakes and broke him off. That's a good tread on those tires. Poked away. Good entry pass, yes. Heard it, net set set. Next free throw.
They execute. You say it's a system. The game plan. They're going to keep shooting things up. And you see back-to-back two, Chinese Taipei, and that could play a big factor in Mongolia pulling away. Oh yeah. Uzi going all the way.
Yes, they go. Of course, you cannot let your guard down in this game with 3x3. It's a lot of time left. Spin move.
Ball on that one.
13.
Yeah.
Depends on the group that you're in, but it's a tough group.
It's not the most promising. Once again, beautiful little.
CC is
There you go. Beautiful.
that one. Open lane pass beats it. Live to play the next play. Unfortunately for Chinese,
Move and good help side. But the man, he carried his team smoothly, always playing smart, always making the right plays, the right decisions.
yeah, got a player in this kid, that's for sure.
You got to always keep track of that.
Sure. Final 6 ticks, and it will end before the horn.
So ayun na nga mga ka-sports, no, kahit na ginawa na ng lahat ng mga bagong player ng Chinese Taipei pero di nila nakuha ang panalo. Nagwagi ang Mongolia sa score na 21-15, no? 6 points po ang lamang ng Mongolia. Kung nagustuhan po ang video nito, paiwan ng follow, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mundo ng basketball world. Laban Pilipinas, puso, so paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!